Hey, after you registered, you will see a model with an introduction video, so you can watch this video by Christian, our CEO. And if you finish, you can just click on finished and you will see this page. And here is this button, add Captivate to your site. You need to click on it and it will show the script you need to add to your website. So first of all, let's copy this script, and then you need to go to your website editor, for example Webflow or Framer or Google Tag Manager, and you need to add this script to your head. So make sure this script is added to your head section of your website. I will have like a demo site, so I will visit this one, and it's already added here. As you can see, the widget is showing up. So after you added your script, you should see something like this. And to make sure you did everything right, you can click on this verify installation button and it will be verified instantly. So you can also send these instructions to your developers. So if you write an email here like dev.captivate something and send it, then your developer will get the instruction how to do that without you. So after this, you can just click on finish and you will automatically see that there are visitors who are watching your site. So this is how to integrate the widget into your website. In the next video, I will show you how to set up feeds. So follow on. Thank you. Bye.